And we are back. We have a new segment called Elvis Presley Soundtracks in 60 seconds. So let's get the timer started. Here's our 60 seconds. And let's introduce our first film, or film soundtrack in this case. It is Kissin' Cousins with Elvis Presley. Now, Elvis plays two roles in this film. I hope he got two checks. One of them is an Air Force officer, and the other one is a blonde hillbilly cousin. So also I might add, Elvis hooks up with some other cousins, all right, lady cousins, in the Great Smoky Mountains of Tennessee. And there's even a track on here called Smoky Mountain Boy. That's not so bad. The title track, Kissin' Cousins Part 2, is actually pretty decent. And there is another great song called There's Gold in Them Mountains, Love in the Hills, I Don't Need No City Women with Diamonds and Thrills. All right, let's take a look at the backside, because if you can see there's some Elvis as blonde, Jody, and then Elvis as dark-haired, Josh. So, of course, Josh is the Air Force officer, and Jody is the hillbilly. What else can I tell you about this? There is a fairly seductive tune called Catching On Fast that I think you'll like, and clocking in at a whopping 1 minute and 22 seconds, which might be its saving grace. And, of course, there's another tune on here called Barefoot Ballad, which is totally going country for Elvis, and he puts on his Elvis country voice as well. So check out this film, check out this soundtrack. It's Kissin' Cousins by Elvis Presley, and we'll see you next time on the Elvis Presley Soundtrack 60-second review.